Okay, for the last part of our dissection, we're looking at the abdominal cavity, okay? And it's obvious which one is the largest organ. It is the only organ that can regenerate, so you can actually give half of this organ away and it will regenerate. And this, of course, is the liver. So I would describe the liver, its structure, as a large, dark organ which sits right under the diaphragm. And its function, it will store glycogen. So if you haven't eaten, this will have stored glycogen. It also aids in digestion. All right, and can you see the size? Okay, we're going to call it right there. I'm trying to get as close as possible so you can see the ruler. All right, and if you lift up the liver, you'll see that it's not just one part. It is composed of different lobes. And there's a dark green bag right here, and this is the gallbladder. Students are often surprised at how small it is, okay? And I did not know that rats don't have this when I did a rat dissection. We always offer a pig or a rat dissection. So this bag right here will hold the bile, which helps in digestion, all right? If we come down, we'll see this bag right here that's connected. Oops, I'm sorry, I'm not on camera. You'll see this bag. It kind of looks like a deflated bag, and that's the stomach, okay? So I would describe the structure of a stomach as a plastic bag. It's a bag. If you've eaten or the pig has eaten, this will inflate. If not, it'll be deflated like that. All right, and let's see if I can get the ruler right there. It's at 2 centimeters, if you couldn't see that. You also have this long tongue-like organ called the spleen. The spleen right here also looks like it's at 2, okay? It helps with red blood cells, in the release of red blood cells. You also have, unmistakably, all of the intestines. All right, so the small intestine actually is smaller in diameter, but it's fairly long, and this one is the large intestine. All right, and the small intestine connects to the stomach and will further digest the food, and the large intestine mainly is to retain water before it is expelled from the body through the anus. You can see on the dorsal side you have 2 kidneys, okay? These kidneys will go down a ureter to the bladder to the urethra, and that's where the urine will come out. All right, so let's get some measurements going, because I cannot get a true measurement of the intestines unless I'm pulling them out. So let me get a portion of the intestines on the ruler for you. They are hard to line up. I want to give you a sense of how long these intestines are. So we can start with just a small piece. Oops. And having a structure of a long tube allows for more surface area and allows for more absorption, and allows it also to be more compact inside the body. Let me get a portion. So this will not be the complete large intestine, but I'm having trouble getting it as one piece. So here's just one small piece. Can you see that? Is that upside down? Let me change the ruler for you. Okay, so that's just one small piece of the large intestine. Let's see what I have of the small intestine. It is similar, the structure is similar to an earthworm that also needs a high surface area to interact with its environment. All right, I think I've got it. All right, can you see that on the ruler? All right, and I'm going to now clean up and dispose of the organs. I do have one other organ I wanted to show you, and that is the brain. This was a dissection done last year. Okay, sits in the skull cavity, and you can see that Pigs are highly intelligent. They have many of the same structures that we do. So I hope this dissection was helpful in understanding the placement of the organs. I know that all your teachers miss you, and we hope to see you really soon. Take care.